you closed at 15K. How
Yeah.
did that feel for you?
Well, it was really good because then I thought
Oh,
first
it's just really good.
the bank account was happy.
First of all, congratulations, David. Well done for joining the 10K club. So what was the biggest problem that you had with your business? Why did you join us?
When I started, so I'm running a design studio, but in parallel, I decided to start step by step sort of coaching thing. It wasn't really calling it a coaching thing. It was more basically to help people who wanted to launch their design studio, who have launched their design studio and had the same experience as I, realizing they actually don't know anything about business. They just start because they're passionate about it. And one day, usually 2 or 3 years later, they realize, oh, actually, I'm running a business, but I don't know what I'm doing. And I went through that. So I thought it'd be interesting to always had in the back of my mind to help people out in the same journey. So I started step by step, and then it started growing a little bit, started to do a few sessions. Straight away, started doing small groups, which was actually good. It was pretty big learning curve, but started doing small groups. And then I realized there is a potential there. And I like to see, I like to see it grow. I like to really push it. But then I was really wondering what are the best ways to handle it properly without spending so much time trying to find clients wherever and see. And that's when I heard about this
Nice.
this COS system. I thought, well, that could be the way.
And did you have any indecision about purchasing, or were you on the fence, or were you nervous about anything?
Um, I think I was in touch with one of your guys at the very beginning, but I was just to find out some information. But I knew I wasn't really ready. That I wanted to validate the idea first before doing it. So
Mhm.
it's not really worry. I just wanted to make sure it was done at the right time. I could feel that there was something there. I just wanted to make sure at the right time. Not really worried about it. I think just wanted to make sure it would, of course, financially would work in the cash flow, and also that I had the time to really focus on it. Because managing kind of almost managing two businesses, the design studio and my
Mm.
coaching thing was a bit like, ugh. But apart from that, no, I thought let's go for it.
What did you love the most? Sometimes people say like the system itself, sometimes people say the support, sometimes people say like the ad process, the closer process,
I
just
think
like
it's
the call application funnel.
I think it's a mix of things because there was, of course, there's all those recorded videos which are really good, really interesting. Things, maybe certain things I knew, others I didn't, but it was just good to sort of almost go back to basic as well, to kind of really sort of rethink what I was doing it and why I was doing it as well. I thought that was really good. Then, of course, the whole kind of technical setup is super interesting because it probably would have took me, I don't know, definitely 2 years or more to do it. And just to have everything kind of ready, turnkey, to be able to plug and play was really good. And also some other ways of challenging, not overthinking it. And I think that's what's the good thing in such
Mm.
programs because there is that accountability, that framework, but also you need to move fast, so you can't really overthink it. And challenging my own, because I'm a designer, so challenging my own taste about like, should the ad really look like this? Should it not? And I'd be like, okay, let's go with it. Let's try and see what happens.
It's interesting. Like I hear what you're saying. Like you might have been able to do it in 2 years. The truth is today, like most people just don't know how to get clients at all. So like the paths of which they can go down on their own, like you could create a podcast that could take up so much of your time and then get no clients. You could do a low front end product. If you do a low front end product, most people, I think it's like 98% of people that start with a low front end product give up because they just don't believe that people are going to buy it at a higher price.
Yeah.
They don't understand how to, you can't advertise, so you can't run ads to it. If you try a free challenge, you give away loads of content. If you build organic marketing, you can be there for 9 years. You know, that's just 5 of the potential pitfalls you can fall down. So
Yeah.
the thing is sometimes people don't realize by going through a process that is actually so slim, like this is the thing that you're going to do, it radically speeds up the process that is sometimes difficult because maybe you haven't fallen down enough pit holes yet to realize how quick that can be. The majority of our clients would have, you know, like you're quite different in regard to the majority of our clients have probably tried for like 6 to 8 years already and realized that they're never going to make it. And today, unfortunately, you know, a lot of people, you know, can learn stuff online for free, but yet there's a difference between actually having a process system and a pathway. You know, like, yes, you can learn stuff for free, but the reason why YouTube is free is because I run ads on it and I make it profitable. And there's only 10% of all entrepreneurs in the world that can actually do things profitable, and the majority are trying to get the free. So I do hear that, but realistically, it probably wouldn't have been 2 years, just so you know, because call application funnel is not like a well understood concept as a whole. What
And actually, maybe to carry on that, maybe it's not even 2 years, maybe it's actually almost giving up in the process, because I think the problem is there's so much out there. There is all these different automation things. There is all these different advice on how to do a funnel, all these different, and you just don't know. And I think a lot of people really get overwhelmed because just don't know where to start, really.
It's tough. Like I really do feel, I really feel for a lot of entrepreneurs today, because the majority won't make it because they won't invest in the right help. They won't, and it's, you know, I'm not judging it. It's just you know, today's entrepreneur genuinely believes that having a business is posting on Instagram. That's what they've been bought into. And, you know, like having to do that sort of, you know, content creation is what people think having a business is. And unfortunately, down that route, your chances of success and making that work is so slim again. So just super pumped for you and super excited for your next steps. What would you say to someone that was on the edge of joining?
Probably just go for it, because it's a transformation, and it's just good to try a system that has been tried and tested before, and you know it works. And there's a lot of things that you learn through the process. I think something I've been really learning, and I'm still, because I'm sure it's a lifelong learning curve, is the sales process. It's just the sales call and the conversations and the closing and all these kind of things. And I think it's just, you just need the training for that. You need the support. You just need to just go for it and not be shy about it. Same like calling people. Of course, the first time I had to call people who didn't book an appointment, but kind of downloaded the PDF. It was a bit like, oh, really? And actually, they were really cool conversations. They were really nice people. So I was like, oh, okay. I mean, they're not all interested, but it just makes it a bit more, I don't know, sort of lighthearted. It doesn't have to be such a heavy thing. So I think that's something. My advice would be, it's a very supportive environment with a very simple system to put in place, and then it's basically in your own hands to just make it work, really.
Cool. Well, David, thank you for being here. It doesn't work without amazing clients like yourself. So let's get you clear on your next steps so that we can put that as a consistent monthly figure.